Guys, a lot is happening right now. I don't know what is happening with the weather, but the weather is not friendly. In fact, as I'm talking to you right now, the dust is just too much. In fact, dust full everywhere right now. So I just want to take you guys around the city so that you will see what I'm talking about, okay? So come with me. As you can see, I'm putting on my nose cover already because I'm well prepared. So let's go and see what is going on with the weather, okay? So let's go. So you can see everywhere, everybody is walking, covering their faces. I am on my nose cover already, so let's go. You can see the weather. Everybody is wrong. You see, even my eyes right now, the dust already entered my eyes. My eyes, they do me one kind right now. But I'm prepared. You can see. Just see, everywhere. I see how dust full everywhere. I don't even see who they come from front. My eyes are collect right now. A lot don't happen to my eyes right now. Yeah? I will take you guys to a place where you will see the weather properly. Look front and it's hard for you to see what will happen up front. You can see everywhere. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know. But the breeze is something else. See, even the sun is not sunning anymore because the dust have covered the sun. A lot is happening right now. In fact, I'm struggling to ride my bicycle because of the breeze. Hurry to get as quickly as possible. Let's just have to use some small turnaround. You can see it does something else. By the time we get home, you will see what I'm talking about. Here's the sun. Weather is, I don't understand. I know you're getting at all. So this weather started early this morning because just started blowing. Yeah, they blow up and down. Then the sand, started, mixing with the air, and that is what we are facing right now. Here you are supposed to see on a normal day. My eyes, they collect right now. The traffic lights, you can see everybody well coordinated. Everybody's well coordinated. Even Koti there for the traffic lights. Everybody they mind you. Just as I have the mind my own they go, The city is filled with sand. Let's go through this part. I will get home because I'm not even enjoying the breeze right now. This kind of breeze they move with many things, They start with kata and all that. You see? So I'm also using this opportunity to show you around my neighborhood. You see how their houses looks like. You can see very long street. All the house they gum each other go. Nothing like person fancy. You come and take for land of about 200 by 200 feet. You can put one small house for the middle fence. The whole other part take. Nothing like that. Land is so expensive here, so nobody they waste the land. Small land, you will see they will match up better house for the land. Even 20 by 20 feet is enough, but it's difficult for you to see a 20 by 20 feet land, you know, for someone to build on it. They will see and say, nah, useless land. They're not going to use that to do anything, you understand? But right here, 20 by 20 feet is enough. It's more than enough for anybody to build a house. So let me get one or two things before we continue. Even my phone is filled with dust right now. I'm going to need to wash the phone if I reach house. You push better soap to wash them. Ooh.